How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, but this time it's not an install video, sort of. It's not a car part, it's not any of that, but it will help me wash this car and the other cars a lot better. And I wouldn't say better, but just an easier kind of thing, because yeah, the struggle is real with just a regular old power washer trying to set it up and get everything going. But for this video, I purchased this thing right here. It's called the Grandfalls Pressure Washer Pro. It comes with 100 feet of hose, and yeah, this is probably their best one that they have. Just kind of want to get something that's easier to use, and you kind of just set it up and you never have to do anything again, because yeah, the struggle is real when you have to go outside, get the hose, reel it in, and then get your power washer from the corner or wherever you have it stored, plug that in, roll that power washer all the way outside, plug in the hose, and then get the other hose, unravel that thing, because sometimes it's like tangled up and stuff for some reason. It just tangles itself up every time. And then you plug that hose in and then turn on the power washer, and then finally you're ready.
They ask you how you are and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
And with this one, you just turn it on and just pull the cord and you're ready to go. No need to set it up. But yeah, the struggle is gonna be over with the power washer. There's nothing wrong with the power washer that I have. It's just, you know, it's just this one's gonna make it a lot easier. I did want to get one of the other ones from Upset's Garage, the pretty sick setup that they have, but goddamn, $3,000. I don't think it's that worth it, because you know, I don't professionally wash this car. Like, I don't professionally wash cars, so I wouldn't think that's something ideal unless you have like a shop and you wash cars and you wrap cars or something, or you work on cars. So yeah, overall I think this is gonna be a cool little install for the garage, kind of a set up and forget kind of thing, where you just, whenever you feel like washing your car, you can just wash it. You don't have to struggle with putting everything away and getting everything set up, you know? So yeah, so let's just unbox this little power washer really quick, and then we'll set it up somewhere. I don't know yet where I'm gonna set it up, but I was thinking somewhere on this wall right here, maybe right there in that corner or up there. And then just yeah, depends on how long I want the hose. If I want to run it up here, down that way, well, we'll see. But overall, it's gonna be an easy kind of install. It's just a quick bracket, and then that's it. So let's open her up and see how she looks. All right, let's unbox this really quick. Here's the wand thing. So I guess this is the power wash thing. You got some for your soap thing and some more tools. Take this out of the way. Oh, god damn. Here it is. Damn, that's a big boy. Here's the gun that I probably won't use. I'm gonna use I'm gonna use my regular gun. Here's a hose it comes with. That's gonna connect directly to right here, to the washer kind of thing. Let me get this out real quick. It's a pretty heavy unit. All right, guys, well, there she is. Got the hose right here. Got your power. This is where the bracket is. This is all that's gonna be holding it on. Power wash. I think you can put your gun there somewhere, but like I said, I'm gonna be using my own gun. So yeah, all I gotta do is get a quick disconnect. I'm pretty sure I can connect one here. But yeah, there it is. For now, I'm just gonna hook up their gun because I do have to get some new quick disconnects so I can fit this one. So yeah, let me just figure out where I'm gonna put it. Pretty sure it's gonna be on the wall. It's pretty big, pretty heavy. I'm just hoping it all works out. But yeah, let me just figure out where I'm gonna put it and then we'll do the install really quick. All right guys, we'll have it right here. All fixed. I don't think it's going anywhere. So now I just gotta put the power washer up there. Let's put it up there really quick. This thing is pretty heavy, so, oh my God. There we go. Then I turn on the water. There we go. Turn on the machine. There we go. And now I can just pull this however long I want to pull it. Hopefully it doesn't fall off the wall. And then it stops. All right, to tell you the truth, that's pretty loud. There we go. Let's test how long this hose can be. You just go and... Oh, watch the water right here. I don't think it's gonna fall. Hopefully not. I know I put it on the wall stud, but you know, it goes pretty far. Look, I'm already past the sidewalk. We're already past the sidewalk. We're going to the street. There we go. That's perfect. And then it just locks in place. And you can wash out here. Nice. Looks good. And then you just pull and it should start retracting the hose. Looks good to me. Like I said, I'm just gonna get some quick disconnect so I can use my gun. The gun I have is this one, but I have the quick release thing, quick disconnecting, and I already Teflon in on me, so I don't want to really take it off. So, but pretty much does it for this video, guys. Quick install and something for the garage. So make it easier than dealing with this crap. As you've seen in the video, dealing with that, putting it all together. It's just especially when you're done washing your car and you're done drying it, and then you still have to put everything away when you just want to take off and do what you got to do, like me, take pictures or make some more videos. But yeah, definitely recommend. Let's see how it works. I'll keep you guys posted on how it's going with it, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. All right, peace out.